how to change the cursor speed to slow, normal, or fast on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. Now on the assistant menu, tap on the left hand side panel. Then we scroll down and tap on touchpad and cursor control. Then tap on cursor speed, and from the pop-up menu, select slow or normal or fast. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.